What up guys, I'm here once again and today I am teaching you 3 different ways to work. Alright guys, I'm here today, first series out there in all my series, and the first thing I'm doing today is triceps. 3 workouts on a cable machine to work your triceps. So let's get in the gym and show you what to do. Right, first movement is a tricep pull down with a bar. What you want to do, as you can see, is have a controlled motion with your elbows tucked in to your side and going 90 degrees up, no further, as it will be cheating in a way and a bit of a rest. And when you contract all the way down, squeeze them triceps. I would say 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. What you want not to do is this. Speed, no time under tension, going over, and this is definitely not what to do. As you can see, my back's arching, I'm pulling down, which is working your lats. Next is a cable rope pull down. What you want to do is the same motion as the bar, but as the rope you can adjust it in your hands and wrists. When you get down to the bottom, you twist your wrist at the bottom and squeeze. Do this same again, 2 seconds up, 2 seconds back. Not what to do. Same, pulling over the 90 degrees, no time under tension, and no trying to put too much weight on to force your way down. The final movement is a single cable pull down. You do it on both arms like the other 2 movements, but you're singly doing the one arm. This helps the muscles develop in the tricep equally on both arms. Same again, slow controlled motion, around 2 seconds up and down. What you don't want to do is start swinging like I am now. It's doing nothing for your tricep. It's actually more of a lat exercise, and also trying to put too much weight on you won't be doing anything for your triceps at all. By the way, look at that good team, 5-0 this week. Subscribe.